I just got back from BJ's and I'll be going over some items you could pick up that help you lose weight and build muscle. And I'll also be trying out some of these items to let you know if they actually taste any good. Let's start off with a solid source of protein, which is lean ground beef. So you get a 3-pack. This is 93.7. They also have 85.15, but 93.7, that's the better way to go for weight loss, less calories. If you season it right, then you're all set. Got it for $21. Probably one of the easiest things to make. Put it on the stovetop, mash it up, wait till it's not pink anymore, and you're all set. Season as you please. Next, we have Dannon Light and Fit Plus. Each cup has 80 calories, 12 grams of protein, and 0 grams of fat. And this one comes in strawberry, blueberry, and cherry. 1 to 2 grams of added sugar per cup. I don't think I've had these in a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a live taste test. Do strawberry. Go ahead and give this a try and get a clean rip. So yeah, this is the one where it kind of has the goop on the bottom. So yeah, mix it up. It has that very fake fruit taste because of that, whatever you call it at the bottom. They call it a puree or whatever. Yeah, it tastes very artificial, but everyone has different taste buds. And this is still a better option than regular sugary yogurt. So this may be a good step in the right direction for you. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I use Fairlife Skim Milk for the Ninja Creami recipes. Higher in protein and lower in sugar than regular skim milk. So this is definitely good for the Ninja Creami. Add a little extra protein to your cereal. Use this for your protein shake. This was $4.59 at BJ's. And just comparing to Costco, Costco does not have this. They just have regular skim milk. So if you want the Fairlife Skim Milk for a bit cheaper than the regular grocery store, then pick this up at BJ's. And my second Fairlife product I bought at BJ's today is the Fairlife Nutrition Plan protein shakes. I've had these before. They taste pretty good. They're better than muscle milk. This was $26.79 for this 12-pack. So you just finished your gym session and now you gotta go to the work, but you want to get some protein in post-workout. These will definitely do the job. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Yeah, these are good. Just like chocolate milk, not as sweet. Next up, we have San Pellegrino Chow. This is flavored sparkling water. The carbonation of this drink is going to make you feel like you're full and therefore less likely to binge on junk food. And this one comes in lime, peach, and blood orange. Each of them are 5 calories, except the blood orange, that's 10 calories. So they're not 0 calories, but they're still pretty low. I'm going to try the blood orange. Just looking at the ingredients on the back, blood orange juice concentrate, orange juice concentrate, lemon juice concentrate, natural flavors, Sicilian salt, orange extract, and lemon juice. Yeah, you definitely get the true taste of a blood orange. It's not as fizzy as I want it to be, whereas carbonate, it goes down pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's blood orange. I mean, of all the flavors, probably blood orange would be my least favorite. So it's a bit biased there, but it doesn't taste too fake and artificial. It's made with real fruit juices, so that's a bonus. Yeah, I'll definitely give this one a thumbs up. This is good. As far as pricing, 24 cans was $17.99. Now, a couple items that would work well with breakfast: reduced fat cream cheese and Nova style smoked salmon. This smoked salmon, good source of healthy fats and good source of protein. You get 2 8-ounce packages like this for $14.99. This one specifically is farm raised, but if you want the wild caught one, they sell one that's just in a single pack and it's a little bit more money. Whatever fits your budget and whatever your preference is, that's the one you should go with. Reduced fat cream cheese, less calories than regular cream cheese. I really can't taste much of a difference between this and regular cream cheese because I usually pair it with this. When you're trying to cut calories and it tastes exactly the same, then this is a good option right here. Bizzy cold brew. I normally pick this up at my local grocery store in packs of 1, but here they sell in packs of 2 for about $10. So about $5 for each one of these. That's a little bit better than buying a single one at your local grocery store. 20 calories per 12 fluid ounces. This is just black espresso blend. It's also organic. If you're someone that really doesn't have time in the morning to brew their coffee, then this is a pretty good option at BJ's for the price and the taste of this. Comparing it to Starbucks or Khalifa Farms, both of those taste like water to me. This one actually tastes a little more richer. It has that coffee taste to it. It's not too bitter. It's not too sweet. Just right in the middle, it's perfect. And who doesn't love pizza? BJ's has this traditional pizza crust that's ready to make. And making a pizza like this is pretty simple. The hardest part of making the pizza is usually the dough. You don't have to make the dough. It's all ready to go. You just put your toppings on. Definitely recommend chicken breast, some peppers, some onions, some turkey pepperoni. Help you hit your protein goals, which will help you build muscle, keep you satiated, and help you hit your overall weight loss goals. This is one of my favorite snacks you could get there. The LesserEvil popcorn Himalayan Gold. 3 cups is 120 calories. This is volume eating, and these actually taste good. And the ingredients are pretty clean as well. Organic non-GMO popcorn, organic coconut oil, Himalayan salt, organic like butter type flavor. I don't know how clean that last ingredient is. Salty, it's buttery, it's light, has good texture. Definitely recommend this. You get this whole bag for $5.99. I want to show you guys exactly how big a serving size is. So I'm going to take this big bowl right here, and I'm going to measure out one serving, which is 28 grams or 3 cups. So this right here, that's one serving size, 3 cups. Enjoy this while watching a movie, getting some work done, or just want a quick snack. You get a lot of volume for not too many calories. It'll take up more room in your stomach, making you feel fuller. And just the act of eating a lot will make you feel like you're eating a lot more than you really are. Now, bananas, super affordable, $1.49 for 3 pounds of bananas. Very good deal. You just got to eat them before they go bad. Bananas are really good for a pre-workout snack, whether you're weightlifting, whether you're going to go for a run in a little bit. And another fruit I got was these red grapes. $5.79 for 3 pounds of grapes. Kills your sweet tooth. You can have a lot for not too many calories, and just a good item to have in your fridge.